Today is Friday, May 21st. Welcome to this edition of Nevada County Now. Today's episode, we're talking fire season, trail celebration, river recreation, and more. Hello and welcome to Nevada County Now. I'm your host, Cole Pettit. Fire season appears to be well underway, despite the brief reprieve we received from the weather this week. The increasing fire danger posed by the high volume of dead grass and hotter, drier conditions in the region is prompting CAL FIRE to suspend all burn permits for outdoor residential burning within the state responsibility area of Nevada, Yuba, and Placer counties. This suspension takes effect at 8 a.m. Monday, May 24th, 2021, and bans all residential outdoor burning of landscape debris, such as branches and leaves. Since January 1st, CAL FIRE and firefighters across the state have already responded to 2,038 wildfires. While outdoor burning of landscape debris by homeowners is no longer allowed, CAL FIRE is asking residents to take that extra time to ensure that they are prepared for wildfires by maintaining a minimum of 100 feet of defensible space around their homes and any outbuildings on their property, and be prepared to evacuate if the time comes. And as a reminder, to get rid of that green waste created by maintaining your defensible space, the free residential green waste disposal program launched today in Grass Valley. Residents have an opportunity to drop off their green waste at no cost to them Friday, May 21st through Monday, May 24th from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Residents may access the site 12625 Brunswick Road, Grass Valley from East Bennett and Millsite Roads. Volunteers will be on site to help with traffic flow and check-in. Fire Safe Council of Nevada County staff will also be available to help residents unload their vehicles. There will be additional disposal days, June 11th through 14th, and there's also mulch pickup days, May 28th and 29th, and June 18th and 19th, from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Friday and Saturday at the same site. We've seen an increase of just 30 COVID-19 cases since last week, bringing our total to 4,777 confirmed cases. 132 cases are currently active with 3 hospitalizations, and the death toll remains at 75. According to the state's data, our adjusted case rate dropped for the first time in several weeks to 6.1, and our test positivity rate dropped as well to 4.1%. We continue to stay in the red tier. For more on the current COVID situation and vaccines, let's welcome Taylor Wolfe, Public Information Officer for the County of Nevada, who's joining us in the studio for the first time. Take it away, Taylor.
Well, thanks again, Cole, for having me today. Yes, we do have a COVID update for you, and the good news is our case rates are still looking a little bit better than they have in previous months. This week, we're seeing case rates like this Monday, Saturday, and Sunday through the weekend. We only had 8 cases, which we haven't seen case rates over those 3 days quite that low in a while. This Tuesday, we only saw 5 new COVID cases. 6 on Wednesday, and yesterday, Thursday, 6 as well. So that is the good news. CDPH, California Department of Public Health, did come out with some news on Monday that they are choosing not to align just quite yet with the CDC guidance on masking. So last week we talked a little bit about the CDC coming out that fully vaccinated people that are past that 2 weeks since their final vaccine appointment can now go indoors without masking or in outdoor crowded places like street fairs, etc. California Department of Public Health decided to stick it out a little bit longer until that June 15th date that they've been talking about, where the tier system will go away. And so right now in California and for all California counties, we're still at a place where masking is required for everyone indoors and in outdoor crowded places. But California Department of Public Health has made updates in the beginning of May to allow for when social distancing is able to be in place in outdoor settings and you are fully vaccinated, you can take that mask off. And of course, if you're having a small gathering with a couple different households and everyone in that gathering is fully vaccinated, you can take that mask off as well. It's a little bit confusing right now, so we're asking folks to be patient and be kind and hang in there as that June 15th date. We'll start to see more and more movement back to normalcy as we get people fully vaccinated. So in Nevada County, we still have work to do, but things are going well. People are getting vaccinated. Last week we were right around that 80,000 mark. This week we're around that 82,000 mark of doses delivered. And just with the percent of total population, we're just below 40% according to the CDC at 38.5% of our total population vaccinated. And as a reminder, that does include that 12 plus now, as the Pfizer vaccine has opened up from that, to more minors from that 12 plus up age group. So that is some exciting news. The other exciting news with vaccines is that it's becoming even more easy to get vaccinated. So not only is our Sierra College Grass Valley Clinic and Docomo's in Nevada City, they're both walk-in clinics now, and you can see that on My Turn. But we're also turning our Whispering Pines Clinic into a walk-in clinic as well. So really exciting if people are out running errands, they're having a hard time, sitting down and scheduling an appointment and knowing that they'll be able to make it, they're able to do that. Or if you have folks, and this might be great for helping someone else get vaccinated, you can also go into My Turn now and select that you need help with either an in-home vaccination appointment where Nevada County Public Health or a nursing or medical professional will come to you, or request transportation to your vaccine appointment. So that is now available through My Turn. It's an option that you select in there. And it's also available through My Turn's 833 number, and that toll-free number is 1-833-422-4255. And a reminder, the My Turn website is myturn.ca.gov. On top of that news, there are a lot of pop-up clinics coming up, really just with the intent of bringing these vaccine appointments closer to people's homes. So it's, again, much easier to gain access to that vaccine appointment. So the first one is this Saturday, May 22nd. This is a vaccine clinic with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. That is an 18 and older vaccine. And this is going to be from Western Sierra Medical Clinic at 844 Old Tunnel Road in Grass Valley from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. All of these clinics are My Turn appointments, so you can go ahead and schedule your appointment at myturn.ca.gov, but it is a walk-in clinic as well. There's another clinic that is both Johnson & Johnson 18 plus and Johnson & Johnson 18 plus and Pfizer 12 plus on Wednesday, May 26th, next week. This is going to be in Smartsville at Rose Bar School at the intersection of Smartsville Road and Diggins Road. It's from 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Minors, since it is a 12 plus Pfizer clinic, must be accompanied by that parent or guardian. Again, walk-ins welcome, or you can schedule that appointment at myturn.ca.gov. And then the following week, there's another Pfizer clinic with Western Sierra Medical Clinic, Saturday, June 5th, and another Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer clinic, Tuesday, June 8th. The June 5th clinic is again at Western Sierra Medical Clinic, and the Tuesday, June 8th clinic is at the Penn Valley Fire Department from 4 to 6 p.m. So again, all of these are available on My Turn. You can get the addresses and dates and times, register for our appointment, or of course, walk-ins are welcome.
Thanks, Taylor. We have an abundance of recreational opportunities in our area, particularly when it comes to trails, with new ones being created all the time. One of the major players in maintaining this resource is Bear Yuba Land Trust, and on June 4th and 5th, they'll be holding their 7th annual celebration of trails. Here with all the details is Felicia Dunn, Community Engagement Manager for BYLT.
Hello, I'm Felicia Dunn, the Community Engagement Manager for Bear Yuba Land Trust. BYLT has been around for 31 years, working to protect working and natural lands in Nevada and Yuba counties and connecting people to nature through trails. Speaking of trails, I am so excited to be here in the studio today with NC Media to share an exciting event we have coming up. Join us for BYLT's 7th annual Celebration of Trails event on Friday, June 4th and Saturday, June 5th. This year, our theme is Choose Your Own Adventure. We've got 11 different adventures to choose from, including hikes, a trail run, horse rides, wheelchair and stroller rolls, and a bike ride. Our partners leading adventures along with us include Freed, Hiking for Good, Gold Country Trails Council, and Sierra Trailblazers Running Club. This event celebrates diverse trail users and raises funds that helps BYLT build and maintain trails. Be sure to register at www.bylt.org. Also, did I mention that all registrants will receive a free t-shirt? Pick up your shirt on Friday, June 4th at our celebratory kickoff at Robinson Plaza in downtown Nevada City from 4 to 8 p.m. Then on Saturday, June 5th, choose your own adventure and hit the trails for an all-day, all ages and abilities exploration. We are also very excited to be partnering with Briar Patch Food Co-op for this event. For every $50 donation to Trails, you'll be entered to win a $500 Briar Patch Food Co-op gift card. Thank you to all of our sponsors and adventure partners for making this event possible, and thank you so much to NC Media for hosting me during their show. If you would like to learn more about this event, you can visit www.bylt.org or call us at 530-272-5994. Again, I'm Felicia Dunn, and together we can protect our open spaces and wild places.
Thanks, Felicia. Nevada Union High School had a slight scare this morning that thankfully turned out to be a false alarm. At the time of this recording, it's not clear what triggered the alarm, but it did lead to a lockdown of the school and a law enforcement response. After the campus was cleared, students were allowed to resume classes. Memorial Day is coming up, and it's a time where many of us are recreating outdoors. The Yuba River is often a popular destination at this time for tourists and locals alike. Taylor Wolfe is here once again with a message on how to recreate responsibly.
You know, I think we're just looking forward to the Memorial Day weekend, but we also want to encourage people, as a lot of people do travel into the area or get together with friends and family, just to be safe that weekend, not only keeping COVID in mind and where we're currently at with masking guidance, but also with our trails and river as well. We always see a large surge of people coming into the area over the summer. So just a reminder, please park in only legal parking spots. Nevada County Public Works has done a great job of trying to make it very clear where to park and where not, and we really asked people to do so it's safe to get emergency vehicles in and out of that Yuba River Canyon when and if an emergency does happen. And then, of course, if you're recreating on the Yuba River, pack it in, pack it out, keep it clean for our community. Please try not to bring glass and pick up after yourselves, and that includes your dog poo. So we just encourage people to enjoy all that Nevada County has to offer, but to keep everything safe and clean as well.
Thanks, Taylor. May is Mental Health Matters Month. This year, Nevada County Community Library, in partnership with Nevada County Public Health and Behavioral Health, will be hosting a free Know the Signs suicide prevention training on Wednesday, May 26th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. via a Zoom webinar. Training participants will learn about the warning signs of suicide, how to engage with someone they're concerned about, and key mental health and suicide prevention resources available in the community. Know the Signs is a statewide suicide prevention campaign built on 3 key messages: know the signs, find the words, and reach out. This campaign is intended to educate the public how to recognize the warning signs of suicide, how to find the words to have a direct conversation with someone in crisis, and where to find professional help and resources. For more information on this webinar, visit the events calendar at mynevadacounty.com/library or call 530-265-7050. May is also National Photography Month, a great time for amateur shutterbugs and professionals alike to enjoy capturing the beauty of the world around them. We'll celebrate this evening with a photo montage of our wonderful home. Remember, stay safe, take care of each other. We'll see you next week.